Hi students, and today we are going to discuss another important concept for NEET and JEE, benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation. This reaction takes place between aromatic aldehydes or glyoxyls, where reaction catalyzed by a nucleophile. Generally we are taking cyanide because strong nucleophile in the presence of HCN in aqueous medium. It is a addition reaction. Why? Because we are adding. For example, I am taking benzaldehyde because the reaction goes for aromatic aldehydes or glyoxal. You know very well, benzaldehyde doesn't have any alpha hydrogen. In aldol condensation and cross aldol condensation, we need at least one alpha hydrogen. Here, no need any alpha hydrogen. That's the difference. I am writing reaction here. Benzaldehyde with no alpha hydrogen. This is we have to take 2 moles in the presence of HCl in aqueous medium. So this is benzaldehyde, you know. Benzaldehyde. This undergo reaction, you are getting benzoin. And this is the structure of benzoin. You go for here, CH, OH bond, C double bond O, and another benzene ring. This is we are calling benzoin. This is we are calling benzoin. Here subjected to we have to heat. So benzaldehyde converted to benzoin. Very simple reaction with no alpha hydrogen. But how product we got? And this I am explaining with the help of mechanism. Look here, we have to take 2 moles of benzaldehyde. First, 1 mole of benzaldehyde I am taking. 1 mole of benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde molecule. It undergo attacking by nucleophile. I told already, catalyzed by nucleophile. Nucleophile here act as catalyst. You know very well, oxygen is more electronegative, minus, and this is carbocation. Carbocation. Immediately this nucleophile will attack at carbocation position. Then you are getting phenyl ring, carbon, and here this hydrogen here I am taking, and here we have O minus, and cyanide here I am taking. This is the intermediate we are getting. Clear? Now this bond is going to be break. This is plus. Immediately this oxygen will donate electrons because it has lone pairs. Then these two will be bonded as OH group. Then this carbon getting negative charge, giving rise to phenyl ring, C, OH, here we have cyanide, and this carbon getting negative charge, and this act as now nucleophile. Look here, cyanide group with OH, cyanohydrin. Why particularly cyanide only we are taking means, this the nucleophile, cyanohydride nucleophile, very stable. It is stabilized by Look here, this is electron withdrawing group, cyanide. It is stabilized by, that is, some electronic effects like plus M and minus I. Plus M and minus I. Stabilized by plus M and minus I. And moreover is electron withdrawing group. Cyanide, when electron withdrawing group, when withdraw electron from carbon ion, charge density will be decreased. When charge density decrease, stability increase. So finally we got nucleophile, that is catalyzed by nucleophile. Next, another mole of benzaldehyde. 2 moles we have to take now. That I am taking here. C double bond O H plus this nucleophile. This nucleophile we have here, and this is C and this is OH, this is CN, cyanohydrin, and with negative charge. Now this is more electronegative oxygen. Immediately the bond is shifted to here minus, and this carbon you are getting plus, and this will attack on this carbocation. This negative charge nucleophile will attack on this carbocation. Next, you are getting the intermediate. This is benzene ring, and we have O minus, and here we have H. This is H, and now this attacked here. So this carbon getting this C, and here we have OH, and here we have cyanide, and here we have benzene ring. This intermediate you are getting. Clear? Now you know very well, cyanide is better leaving group. So here again changes will be takes place. You know, oxygen is having lone pair. This lone pair will donate to this oxygen, this carbon bond, and immediately this cyanide is leaving. Means cyanide is better leaving group. When it leave, immediately oxygen will be donate one lone pair to this carbon oxygen bond. Why? Because when cyanide is breaking here, this valency is less. That's why immediately it will give a lone pair to this carbon and oxygen bond. Then you are getting the product, that is intermediate product, like this. Benzene phenyl ring. We have here C O H bond C, and here O double bond H, and cyanide gone, bond benzene ring. Clear? Benzene ring. Now because of giving a lone pair by oxygen, it will get positive charge. Clear? When it got positive charge, it is unstable. That's why this bond is going to be break. This bond is going to be break. When this bond is going to be break, it will be stabilized. And this will get positive charge. Immediately this oxygen will donate electron to this H plus. Finally, you are getting like this. Benzene ring. C, this oxygen, this hydrogen bonded OH, and you have here H bond, C double bond O, C double bond O bond, and here we have benzene ring. And this is only I told benzoin. This is only I told benzoin. Clear? Here we removed cyanide and here we added cyanide. So cyanide acts as catalyst, catalyzed by nucleophile, that is cyanide. This is how to prepare benzoin. You can practice with glyoxal also. What is the formula for glyoxal? Simple, CHO. In alcohol lesson you learn CHO. See here, no alpha hydrogen. No alpha hydrogen. So undergo benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation. So 2-3 times if you practice this, then easy to you. If you like this concept to you, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. If you need any other concept, mention your comment in comment box, and be safe at home. Thank you.